Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
Do you see a problem? Because I definitely see a problem here. There's too much of a gap, and it looks like it has no teeth. A baby with no teeth. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna change that.
Install that.
So we're gonna install this baby right here. No Anthony today. It's just me. He's doing I don't even know what. But let's open the box. Ooh, you like that? You like that? You like that? Are you guys ready for this beautiful? Nah, but we got a lip for the Civic. And hopefully it'll look lower and nicer. Because God knows it needs it right now. Shit looks crazy. But
Too big of a gap.
let's get it started. I noticed this. Where is it? Yeah, that happened. Or it was already like that as soon as I opened the package. So I'm gonna see if I can use the hairdryer, my girlfriend's hairdryer, see if I can get that straight, or at least a little straighter. It's doing pretty good, but I think if I bolt it up, it'll straighten over time with the heat and everything. Let's get this thing on. Looks pretty dope. I just gotta get side skirts now, like really bad, because I was fucking around in Mexico and my side skirts came off. Like both of them, legit, both of them came off. So I might end up. I think I'm gonna just make my own side skirts. So a dope video, which when I do a video, I'll shout him out. So I don't remember his information right now, but it looks good. For right now, what I'm gonna do is. I'm gonna put the rest of my stickers on my window that I got, and I think from there, I think we might just go for a ride and drop off some wheels to Elias. So I have to drop some wheels off for him. He's getting rid of his wheels. Yeah, see how this comes out. Alright guys, so Ant just got here from his friend's house or his girlfriend's house, whatever. We're gonna drop off some Steelies to Elias, and then from there we're gonna go to Waterbury, meet up with Jay. Get him his wheels, the other two sets, and a little bit of change, and his plates to the hatch so we can get it registered.
Wait, this is a previous video?
Yeah.
You were recording earlier?
Yeah, recording the whole front look.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Alright, so we just came back from Waterbury, and Anthony picked up his wheels, the other two sets, so now he'll have all 4 sets. And then the new fender. I'll show you guys right now. We got the brand new right fender for the hatch. And the other 2 wheels. I don't know what color he wants to paint them, but he's gonna paint them. I don't know what color. The main reason we went to Waterbury though is so that he can get his license plates, because he's trying to register the car. And we're trying to get that hatch on the road so we could start doing a bunch of things to it. But yeah. Today was a really short video. I didn't really have a lot to do. I just put the front lip because I was bored. But there's a lot of other parts coming in the mail. I'm going to put the coupe. Eventually, I'm going to paint the coupe as well, really soon. This is what I did earlier. I just threw all these stickers on it. Reminds me of my Accord when I did it. The Accord looked kind of cooler. Like this side looks a lot better than the other side. The other side, it looks like I just put everything on it. And like, just didn't care. Can we please just talk about how good the front lip looks on the EG, man? I'm so happy with how it came out. Like I said, I got so much more coming. I Man, you'll see. Just keep watching the videos, man. Just look at it. Hold up, man. Oh man, how good that shit looks, boy. By the way, it's an eBay front lip. I haven't seen anybody where I live at with this front lip.
Gotta go, cops coming.
But I think that's it for this video, guys. So later, dude.